Some of the challenges that we have found out that are making it a little difficult for parents to have their students coming to school is the fear of whether the learning environment is conducive. And we want to tell the parents, we want to tell the pupils out there, we want to tell the students out there who have not reported that the schools, through the support of the government, have put all the necessary protocols in place to ensure there is no contact with the COVID-19 virus, and there is no spread of the COVID-19 virus. So wherever you are, if you are of school going age, whether you are currently in the beach, whether because of the social issues you could have found yourself pregnant in one way or another, or whatever the reason that is, we are asking you to report back to school. We are working with the Ministry of Interior, the chiefs, the sub-chiefs, the village elders are on higher alert, and if they found you as a parent holding a child and the child is not going to school, then you will explain, and you will have to ensure that that child goes back to school. And if you are a school-going child and you are out there, you have not reported, know that we know, and we are following you up to ensure that you report. What I've also realized is for those girls that have conceived while away and have become pregnant, they have been socialized back to school. The stigma is being managed and they're integrating well together with the rest of their classmates. Those who have given birth have also been allowed back as the child is being taken care of. And so the government has put every protocol in place. They have put all the system in place. We have even bought desks and provided them to school. We've also built extra classrooms, and we have waived the tuition fee. So you parent, you people, you have no excuse whatsoever. We are urging, we are directing, we are requesting that there must be 100% reporting back to school. And we have put the systems in place to ensure that this is achieved. In Kilifi County, there is an average reporting percentage of over 85% in the entire county. If now you look into the public primary and secondary schools and you add them up to the private primary and secondary school. So far in Kilifi County, there has not been any reported case of COVID-19 among the pupils, the students, and the teachers. So it is well. We've also noticed that the pupils and the students are wearing masks and covering their mouths and covering their noses, and they have also observed the social distancing.